Hi, welcome back to the module of C Basics. In this module, we will be gaining knowledge of different operators available in C. What is operator? Operator is a symbol that operates on a value or a variable. It is used to perform mathematical and logical operations. Here is a list of operators. The first is arithmetic operator. The second is relational operator. Then we have logical operator, assignment operator, bitwise operator, and some miscellaneous operators that we will be discussing in detail. Let's concentrate on arithmetic operators. There are 6 arithmetic operators. They are plus for addition, minus for subtraction, star is used for multiplication, forward slash is used for division, and percent sign is for modulus. Now we will understand the working of these operators with example. Assume A is equals to 20 and B is equals to 10. So when we will add these two variables using plus, that is addition operator, we will get the result 20 plus 10 is equals to 30. Then we are going to use here next arithmetic operator, that is minus, which is used for subtraction. So when we will do subtraction, so 20 minus 10 will be 10. Third, we have star, which is used for multiplication. When we will multiply these two values, we will get this result. Then we have slash, which is used for division. This slash operator gives the quotient. So when we will divide 20 by 10, we will get 2. But in case if we need the remainder, for that we will be using modulus operator, which gives remainder. So 20 modulus 10 is equals to 0. Next set of operators are relational operators. They are used to compare and produce result as true or false. So these are the 6 relational operators. The first is less than, then we have less than equal to, greater than equal to, and the last is not equal to. So we'll see how to use these operators. Again, we will consider two values, A equals to 20 and B is equals to 10. A is less than B, which is false. These relational operators give the result as true or false. So A you can see is 20, B is 10. So 20 is not less than 10. So we are getting the answer false. Next operator is less than or equal to. If any one condition is also true, then we will get the answer true, otherwise false. So let's check first condition. Is A less than B? So we can see here 20 is not less than 10. So that is false. Next is we will check about equal to. So are they both equal? No, they are not equal. So both conditions are false. That's why we are getting the result false. The third is A is greater than B. We can see here 20 is greater than 10. That's why we are getting result true. The next is greater than or equal to. So let's check first for greater than. Is 20 greater than 10? Yes. Let's check the next condition. Are they both equal? No. But if one condition is true, we will get the answer true. Next is equal to operator. We will compare whether both are equal or not. 20 is equal to 10. No. That's why we are getting here result false. The next is not equal to. Here we are checking whether both are equal or not. So as we can see, they are not equal. That's why we are getting the answer true. Next set of operators, there are 3 logical operators which perform logical operations. When we have to combine 2 or more relational expressions, we use logical operator. So let's understand the concept of logical operator using examples. Consider two values, A is equals to 20, B is equals to 10. So here you can see there are two relational expression we are combining using AND operator. So how AND operator works? If both the conditions are true, then only we will get the answer true, otherwise false. So let's take the first relational expression. A is greater than 15. You can see here the value of A is 20. So yes, this first condition is true. Now let's take the second condition. Is B is greater than 5? You can see here the value of B is 10, which is greater than 5. So both the conditions are true, that's why we are getting the answer true. Now we will check how the logical OR operator works. Here also you can see there are two relational expression. Let's check the first condition. A is equals to 20. You can see here, yes, A is 20. So the first condition is true. Now let's check the next condition. B is equals to 50. Check it here. No, the value of B is 10. Then this condition is false. In case of OR, if any of the two condition is true, you will get the answer true, otherwise false. So you can see here this one condition is true, that's why the answer is true. Now next we have NOT operator. NOT operator is used to negate the value. So let's take this condition. A is equals to B. You can see here these both values are not equal. So we got the answer false. So the negation of false is true. So this operator reverses the answer. If it is false, it will become true. If it is true, it will become false. Let's continue our topic of operators. In this video, we are going to discuss about assignment, bitwise and some miscellaneous operators. So first, let's see which are the assignment operators. So there are total 6 assignment operators we are going to study today. First is assignment operator, which is used to assign the value from right hand to left hand side. Then we have addition assignment operator, subtraction assignment operator, multiplication assignment operator, division assignment operator, and we have modulus assignment operator. So let's see how it works with examples. First is assignment operator. It is used to assign the value. So B is assigned to A. The next we have addition assignment operator. A plus equals to B. What does it mean? A is equals to A plus B. So the value of A plus B will assign to value A. The other operator also works in a similar manner. The next set of operators are bitwise operator. Bitwise operator work on bits. There are total 6 bitwise operator. The first is bitwise AND, the second is bitwise OR, third is bitwise NOT, fourth bitwise XOR, the fifth is bitwise left shift, and the sixth is bitwise right shift. Let me explain the working of these bitwise operator. In case of bitwise AND, the result will be 1 if both the bits are 1. In case of bitwise OR, if any of the two bits is 1, then the result will be 1. In case of XOR, if both the bits are different, then only the result will be 1, otherwise 0. And what about bitwise NOT? It inverts all the bits. So let's understand the working of these bitwise operator with the examples. Here I have taken two variables A and B. These are the possible combinations of bits for variable A, and these are the possible combinations for the variable B. In case of AND, if both the bits are 1, then only the result will be 1, otherwise 0. In case of OR, if any one bit is 1, then the result will be 1, otherwise 0. In case of bitwise XOR operator, if both the bits are different, then we will get the result 1. And what about bitwise NOT operator? It negates the value. Next, we are going to study about the bitwise left shift operator. The left shift operator shifts the bits by a specified position. So let's consider one example. I have taken one binary number and we have to shift that binary number by one position. So the bits will shift to the left by one position, keeping one block blank, and that empty box we will mark as 0. Next, we will try to understand how the right shift operator works. Right shift operator shifts the bits to the right side by the specified position. So let's take the same example. We have to shift by one position, so the bits will shift to the right side by the one position, keeping one box empty that we will mark as 0. Now let's understand about the sum of the miscellaneous operator. First is size of operator, ampersand, star, and one more we have, that is ternary operator. So let's see how it works. First is size of operator. It returns the number of bytes occupied by that variable. So here size of 4 gives 2 bytes because this 4 is an integer value and integer value holds 2 bytes of memory. This is ampersand operator which returns the address of a variable. If we will write ampersand of A, it returns the actual address or the memory location of A. Next we have star. It is used in pointer. And then we have this ternary operator. It is also used for conditional expression. It is an alternative for if. So in this module we learn about different types of operators. In the next module we will be studying about the input output functions. So keep learning. See you in next video.